Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the vibration intensity on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or any other Android device basically. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go underneath settings, scroll down to get to the accessibility tile and select it. And then scroll down again underneath interaction controls and select vibration and haptics. So the first thing you have to make sure is that the vibration and haptics is turned on up here at the top like you see on my screen, and it's been enabled and toggled to the right. And then down here you can make the additional modifications to the vibration intensity by dragging them to the right or the left. So the left is quieter, right is more pronounced. And you can do this for the ring, notification, and alarm vibration settings all individually here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.